instead of just posting this on YouTube, since I made the little free group, I might as well just post it there. Um, so anyone who's in the group, they get in the sauce. But this is something that you guys already heard me talk about. I'm not too sure. Probably the new ones don't know. But this kind of could help your or make you aware of what's going on in your head. Okay. Let's just say this is trader A and this is trader B. Okay. Now, trader A doesn't have any emotional control. Trader B has emotional control. Okay. This is 10 trades. These are lines and these are 10 trades. Okay. Let's just put the same thing. Okay. We got one winner, two winners, three winners in a row, a L, a L, a winner, a L, a winner, a L, and a L. So that's how many L's. One, two, three, four, five. So 5 wins, 5 losses. All right. This one is gonna be almost the same. L, 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 win, L. That's 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this now should show you the same outcome. Same outcome meaning the same account size. Same account size should come out at the end. Okay, right here. If both of them take the same, if both of them has the same risk management rule. Okay, let's just say they risk two let's just say they risk 5% every trade. They should come up with the same outcome, the same number. Okay, even if the wins and losses are distributed differently, as you can see right here, there's it's still 50-50 win rate. All right. And with the same risk percentage, risk, they should come up with the same outcome. But the reason why A doesn't come up with the same outcome as B and B will be better off than A is because he has emotional control, meaning that he's aware of his psyche. He understands his behavior, and the reason why is the following. Okay, let's just say trader A now, right? He has no emotional control. He wins 3 times in a row, and this is why I called a barrier, right here. This is a barrier where it spikes up when that person has huge excitement. What happens is that he either increases his lot size to gain more because greed appears, and he takes a big L, and this messes up all the distribution that happens next. Okay. Now, let's just say now he has 2 losses in a row now, and this is also another barrier right here. All right. It happens multiple times when you don't have any emotional control. What happens is that now fear comes in play. Since he lost a big amount of his money after these 3 wins in a row, now he has 2 losses in a row. What he's thinking next, he's thinking that his next trade is going to be an L. So therefore, he's going to decrease his lot size. But then when it's a win, he doesn't have the full win that he was supposed to be having. He's supposed to have if he had to risk the same amount every single time. So as you can see, there's ups and downs with this guy because his emotional intelligence is not high. He's not aware of his behavior, and during these trades, he's not aware that he's increasing his lot size or decreasing his lot size and playing around with the stop loss and blah blah blah. All right, he is not structured. Therefore, the outcome will not be greater than B because he's all over the place. More than likely, he might blow the account just because of these little barriers. Now, B now he has the same plan. He has the same risk reward. He has the same risk reward, same risk percentage. And even if he takes 3 L's in a row, a normal trader would have a barrier right here where it spikes and says, okay, I have 3 losses in a row. I should decrease my lot size. To him, he's like, no, I'm gonna take the same trade with the same plan and execute, execute, execute. At the end of the day, B should be fine because he is not swayed by the losses or wins because he understands that wins and losses are distributed. It's not distributed equally. It's all over the place. But once he understands his setup, he understands his win rate. At the end of the day, if he has a strong mind and he has a strong emotional intelligence, he should be good. That's a little hack to keep in mind. All right.